Good day, everyone. Today I will present my Assignment 1, Part 1 of ACC10021. The objective of this project is to improve the efficiency of assurance of learning reporting process by reducing manual work and improving data analysis. ALL stands for Assurance of Learning. It is a process used by universities to evaluate whether students achieve the required learning outcomes and competencies. The ALL process collects and analyzes students' performance data from different courses and units. The purpose of ALL is to measure learning effectiveness, monitor student competency achievement, and improve teaching quality. However, the traditional ALL process involves a large amount of repetitive manual work, such as creating reports, transferring data, compiling master lists, and generating dashboards. Therefore, this project focuses on improving the ALL process using Excel VBA automation and Power BI dashboard visualization. First, I will explain the original process before improvement. Previously, users needed to manually process individual ALL reports. They manually copied and pasted data from the unit of outcome list into separate ALL report files. After that, the files were manually saved one by one. The data was then manually entered into the master list. Finally, reports and dashboards were manually compiled and created. The process was time-consuming, repetitive, and increased the risk of human error. After the improvement process, Excel VBA automation and Power BI integration were implemented. Users only need to click the Generate Files button. The system automatically generates multiple ALL reports and imports to the required data into the master list. Data validation, formulas, and formatting are also pre-applied automatically. The clean data is then connected to Power BI for dashboard visualization. The improvement reduced manual work, improved accuracy, and increased efficiency. Next, this is the Generate Files button. Previously, users need to This is the Generate Files button. Previously, users needed to manually create and save multiple ALL reports one by one. With VBA automation, users only need to click the button. Select the template you want to use. And then it will generate 10 files. And then it will generate 10 files in one folder. The first feature is the file picker function. This allows users to select the ALL template file automatically. This improves usability and flexibility. Next, the VBA automatically creates a folder for storing the generated reports. This improves file organization and prevents missing files. The VBA also uses a loop function. This loop processes multiple records automatically. Instead of generating reports one by one manually, the VBA automatically creates multiple ALL reports. The next feature is automatic data transfer. This VBA automatically transfers data from the unit list worksheet into the AOL report template. This reduces manual copy and paste work and improves data accuracy. The VBA also automatically inserts formulas. This calculates percentage automatically and standardized calculation and reduce calculation errors. This improves report consistency and readability. This improves files management and avoids duplicate files. This improves processing speed and users' experience. Finally, a confirmation message is displayed after the automation process is complete. This informs users that the report generation process has finished successfully. Next, I will demonstrate the second VBA automation process. This VBA automation is used for the master list process. Previously, users needed to manually copy and compile data from multiple AOL reports into the master list. Now, the process is automated using VBA. The VBA automatically imports data from multiple AOL reports into the master list. This reduces repetitive manual tasks and improves consistency. The master list then becomes the main data source for Power BI dashboard visualization. This VBA is used to import data from multiple AOL reports files into a master list. It automates the process of collecting and consolidating data into one worksheet. The VBA first defines variables such as the master worksheet, file path, file name, and source workbook. These are used to manage data during the import process. The active worksheet is assigned as the master list. This is where all imported data will be stored. The VBA allows the users to select a folder that contains all AOL report files. This ensures that the correct sets of file is used to import. The selected folder path is stored and will be used to access all Excel files inside it. Screen updating and alert message are turned off. This improves performance and prevents interruptions during executions. The VBA clears existing data in the master list. This ensures that only new data is stored and prevents duplication. The import starts from row 2 because row 1 contains headers. The VBA searches for all Excel files in the selected folder. A loop is used to process each file one by one. This allows multiple AOL reports to be imported automatically. The VBA reads 2 sheets from each file. The first sheet contains report information, and the pass rate sheets contain percentage data. A message box confirms that the import process has been completed successfully. Next, I will explain the Power BI dashboard. This dashboard contains 7 visualization and interactive slices that allow users to analyze AOL performance more effectively. The purpose of this dashboard is to transform raw data into meaningful insights for decision making. The first visual shows the trend of student performance by year and study period. This chart allows users to compare performance across different semesters and identify patterns over time. For example, users can observe whether performance is improving or declining across different academic periods. The second chart compares performance between undergraduate and postgraduate programs. This helps identify whether one group performs better than the other. This information can be used to improve teaching strategies for different course levels. This chart shows performance across different delivery locations. It helps identify differences between campuses or teaching environments. For example, if one location performs significantly lower, further investigation can be conducted. This visual analyzes students' performance across different majors. It helps identify which majors perform better and which may require improvement. This supports better academic planning and curriculum adjustment. This chart focuses on competency performance. It helps identify strong and weak competency among students. For example, if a specific competency has a low achievement rate, it indicates a need for improvement in teaching or assessment design. This visual presents the hierarchy of competencies by course. It helps users understand the relationship between different competency levels. This improves the ability to analyze performance at different levels of detail. This chart highlights benchmark performance. The benchmark used in this analysis is 75% for student meeting or exceeding requirements. The chart classifies results into two categories: met benchmark or below benchmark. This helps quickly identify units that are underperforming. The dashboard also includes interactive slices. Users can filter data by year, study period, course level, and location, and measure. When a filter is applied, all visualization update automatically. This makes the dashboard interactive and allow users to perform customized analysis. In conclusion, this project improved the AOL reporting process through automation and data visualization. Excel VBA reduced repetitive manual processing and improved efficiency. Power BI improved reporting and decision-making through interactive dashboard visualization. Overall, the improved process is more efficient, accurate, and user-friendly. That's all from me. Thank you.